Assalamualaikum, my dear friends and dear viewers. Today I am going to make peanut butter. The process of making peanut butter is very easy. We just need two ingredients, which is 1 peanut and 2 blender. First of all, we need to roast the peanuts. Then we must need to peel off these red skins from this peanut. As you can see, I have removed all the red skins from these peanuts. I have taken almost 1 cup of peanuts. Now I'm gonna pour them into the jar of blender. I have already poured them into the jar. Now I'm going to blend them. I will blend them at low speed because I'm afraid of high speed. I always try to blend everything at low speed. I also recommend you guys to use blender in low speed. You can see the peanuts are already grained. Now I'm trying to collect them into the center with the help of this spoon. You also need to do this for a perfect blending. Now I need to cover it again and blend it. We need to check it for 2 or 3 times and do the same as before. After doing the same thing 2 or 3 times, then you can notice that the grained peanut transformed into a paste and a little bit well is coming out from this paste. I will blend them for a last time and you can see the results. Now it's perfectly ready for cold peanut butter. Wow, look how creamy it is. The result of making peanut butter comes out very nice. Now the last step is to put them into a clean jar so that we can store it for a long time. So that's how I make peanut butter for my milkshake. If you guys like my video, then don't forget to like, comment and share. I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.